This video looks at cutting out a hole from a roof. The first thing you need to do is turn on your trace options. Change the trace options to orange. This will allow you to see what's beneath the roof. The next thing you need to do is click on your roof and change what's visible, and choose the option Overhead All. This will show you everything beneath the roof level. The next thing you need to do is click on the roof tool, choose the line by line method, and then draw the shape that you need to remove. Once you've drawn your shape, press F3 and have a look at it in 3D, and you will notice the roof section has been cut out. For this example, I'm going to turn this space into an enclosed area. To do this, double click on your wall tool, then set your wall heights to 5000mm. Then view this in 3D. From here we're going to use the Trim Elements to Roof command. To do this, right click on your walls, then choose the Trim Elements to Roof. Next, click on the roof and it will activate red. Then the second click will remove the excess wall. Now press O on your keyboard to select the Orbital tool to get a better look at your model.